In this video, let's cover DBMS, database, and tables. Just as one or many tables are organized into a relational database, multiple databases are organized into a DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It's a piece of software that manages one or more databases. So one of the important things I would like you to understand is the logical relationship between all of these elements. So a DBMS can have one or more databases, and a database can have one or more tables. Now that you know the logical relationship between these elements, another thing I would like you to understand is that DBMS stands for Database Management System. It's a piece of software that helps to manage one or more databases. Now, where is SQL in this picture? When a database user tries to manage data inside a database, the user cannot actually execute query directly in the database. The user actually has to talk to the DBMS with the SQL language, and then this SQL language will be executed by the DBMS software. After all, only the DBMS is a software that can execute computer languages. A database is simply a collection of data, whereas a database management system is a piece of software that can interact with database users. After you watch this video, you need to understand the relationship between these elements, and you also need to understand that it is DBMS who is interpreting the SQL language and execute the language against specified database. Okay, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.